Okay, so D1 equals to MPB and D2 equals to MSB. Okay, everyone, listen up. There's a quiz coming up.
哦，有 quiz 啊！
吓，又有 quiz？
Okay, guys, class is over, but please remember to revise for your quizzes as it counts towards your predicted grades, which matters for your future. Goodbye.
近排因為壓力，我覺得自己好耐冇感受到真正嘅快樂。如果有嘢可以幫我揾翻呢樣咁珍貴嘅嘢，我覺得比成績方面嘅成就更加令我滿足。咁多書讀嘅，睇唔明啊？錄 real 啊！哇！呢條 real 咁好睇嘅，等我快啲 follow 先。都係瞓覺啦。
For stressed people like our friend over here,
We have the perfect solution.
In a city that never sleeps, where the glow of screens often outshines the neon signs, our journals are your portal back to what matters. Dive into pages inspired by the warmth of a tatante, the beauty of Hong Kong's natural landscapes, and the nostalgia of childhood memories. This is your space to reconnect with your cultural roots and redefine joy in your own words. 呢本唔單止係一本簿，係我哋一齊創造一個可以唞氣、回憶、真正做自己嘅空間。我哋85認 call 想同香港嘅青年一齊實現一個少啲壓力、多啲歸屬感嘅將來。
oh, it looks like our friend's about to wake up here.
They're the perfect solution to my stress problems.
HSBC 成 JA 青年創業體驗計劃創意市集，依家創夢闖未來。3月7同8號約埋朋友仔一齊嚟啟德零售館1同2支持我哋嘅自家設計，到時見。